At Watts Urethane, we are able to offer larger wheels than most other companies in the UK. Our vast knowledge, experience and machine capabilities mean that we can create wheels up to 36 inches in diameter and up to 12 inches wide. Larger sizes up to 40 inches may be possible with additional machining charges. We can offer wheels and tyres in our 4000 series, which is a really good general purpose wheel and tyre material, and this is available in hardnesses of between 60A and 95A. We are also one of only a few companies in the UK who can manufacture and supply wheels and tyres using Vulcalan. With its extreme load carrying and dynamic properties, Vulcalan has proven to be one of the world's best wheel and tyre materials. And we are only one of a couple of companies in the UK who hold a licence for manufacturing Vulcalan products. Contact us today and talk to our experienced, responsive and friendly customer service team.